Goat farming is one of the most profitable and sustainable agricultural businesses in the world. It provides farmers with multiple sources of income through the sale of meat, milk, breeding stock, and manure. Goats are hardy animals that adapt well to different climates and require less space and feed compared to many other livestock species. Successful goat farming begins with selecting healthy breeds suitable for your farming objectives. Some breeds are preferred for meat production, while others are known for high milk yields. Proper housing is essential to protect goats from harsh weather conditions, predators, and diseases. A clean, dry, and well-ventilated shelter helps maintain the health and productivity of the herd. Nutrition plays a vital role in goat farming. Goats require a balanced diet consisting of grasses, legumes, leaves, grains, minerals, and clean drinking water. Providing adequate nutrition ensures faster growth, improved milk production, and stronger immunity against diseases. Regular health management is equally important. Farmers should vaccinate their goats according to local veterinary recommendations, control parasites, and monitor animals for signs of illness. Early disease detection helps prevent losses and improves overall farm performance. Breeding management contributes significantly to farm profitability. Healthy breeding practices result in strong offspring and increased herd size. Farmers should maintain accurate breeding records to improve herd quality over time. Goat farming offers excellent opportunities for both small-scale and commercial farmers. With proper management, dedication, and knowledge, goat farming can provide a reliable source of food, income, and economic growth for rural communities. As global demand for goat meat and dairy products continues to increase, goat farming remains a promising agricultural enterprise for entrepreneurs seeking a profitable and sustainable livestock business.